Moon. Blizzard. They closed like 10 minutes ago, so we're holding them up. Oh no, it's 20 to 9. I thought it was later. I'm feeling a large rocky road blizzard. Let's see. Show this.
It's
Oh, there's
extra.
waste toppings. Maybe I don't need a large. I'll just get a medium. That's kind of huge. Can you add stuff?
Maybe. For blizzard treats.
Yeah, so you can add that. I want to. No, it's fine. I'm just gonna get what it actually is. Hello. Oh, my chins. 149 pesos. 149 pesos. Which is like £2. There it is.
Do.
You have to
Do.
go like this. Oh, magical.
Then where are we gonna go next?
Please,
Do it again.
I don't want to do it again because if it falls on the floor, I'll be well embarrassed.
Are you gonna go to McDonald's? Are you sure?
Oh, who's going McDonald's?
You said you want iced coffee.
Oh yeah, from Starbucks.
Where is Starbucks?
I don't know.
Oh, here. I got matcha. The best drink in the world.
This shit is good. This is good.
What's that? Nak alat.
You don't like it?
It's sweet.
What?
I like it.
You like it?
I like it, but it's too sweet. It's a lot.
Yeah, this is nice.
Kiko.
There's the thing.
We're at the mall.
What the? So, damn chicken like that at Burger King.
99
weird.
pesos. 99 pesos only.
Hey, that's me.
What, gringo?
Gringo.
How did you become a gringo?
That means white.
Oh,
I think. I think it means white guy.
okay.
Mexicans say it says white people.